AI chatbots like Claude and ChatGPT are powerful tools, but spoiler alert, having your team bounce between chat windows and your Notion workspace isn't the ideal AI workflow. What if, instead of copying and pasting data into chatbots for every prompt, your AI could automatically tap into your company's information and produce results right alongside your data? With AI autofills in Notion, you can do just that, and today, I'm going to show you how it all works. Hi, I'm Tom from XRay.tech, the workflow company. At XRay, we've created tens of thousands of hours for our clients using AI and no-code tools. If you'd like to learn more about XRay and our services, check out our website at xray.tech. To see more workflow automation and AI tips every week, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new way to save time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI autofill property in your Notion databases. We'll start with a quick overview of the built-in prompts that you can use. Then, I'll show you how to write a custom prompt to get unique results tailored to your data and use case. Let's get started. To add an AI autofill to your Notion database, open up the database and create a new property. After the Suggested section, you'll see a set of AI autofill options. There are 3 pre-made choices: summary, translation, and keywords, as well as an option to write your own custom autofill. We'll take a look at all of these, but let's start with AI keywords. This choice will create a multi-select property with AI autofill enabled. The AI will generate options to populate this field based on the content of all the other properties in the database. For instance, it can look at our blog title and body to create relevant tags. Just be sure to leave Generate New Options enabled so the AI can actually create new options in the multi-select field here, unless you want to stick with a predefined set of options, of course. Click Autofill All Pages to generate tags for every page in the database. And here we've got a decent set of keywords for all the blogs in our database. One thing I want to call out is that the AI is smart enough to reuse tags when appropriate. So we don't have a bunch of redundant tags with similar but slightly different ways of saying Zapier automation, for instance. All of the blogs are using that same identical tag, which will make it very easy to sort and filter our blogs using this data in the future. After you've generated an initial round of tags with AI, you can click on this magic wand update button to generate additional results at any time. Next up, let's take a look at the Translate option. With a Translate AI autofill property in Notion, you can translate text from one or more other properties into a different language. First, choose the property you want to translate. You can choose multiple properties if you'd like. However, you should note that the final translation will all be entered into a single property. The AI will break up the different properties you selected using bold headings, but if you want to maintain well-structured, organized data, I'd recommend just translating one property per AI autofill. You can always add multiple translation properties if you want. In our example here, we'll translate the blog title only for now. Once you've chosen what you want to translate, pick the target language you want to translate the text to. For instance, let's choose Spanish. With the AI property and language selected, click on Save Changes to finalize the configuration. Then click on this magic wand update button to fill in the AI translation. I'd say this translation is pretty good, although it seems like it might be a little bit too word for word. That said, it's not half bad for an instant translation. Now let's go over the final pre-built option, which is a very common AI task: summarizing. This autofill will summarize all of the properties in the page into a few concise sentences. An AI autofill summary can be a useful way to distill data with dozens of attributes into a couple of easy, actionable takeaways. For our example, we can use it to create a short summary of every blog in our database. Let's give it a shot. There's not really anything to configure for this autofill other than your typical settings for any text property in Notion. So let's just go ahead and click on Try on this view. That will generate summaries for the first 5 pages in your current database view. And right away, we've got some helpful summaries of each blog post. However, these summaries are very generic. There's no real perspective or context here. It's just repeating the ideas from the blog post in a shorter format. If you want to summarize your pages for specific purposes, for training, for social media posts, for generating SEO meta descriptions, then you'll want to use a custom prompt instead. To write a custom prompt for an AI autofill in Notion, create a new property. Then choose AI Custom Autofill. In What to Generate, you can write your prompt. You can write whatever you'd like here. Be sure to note any specific properties you want it to reference as it generates its response. For instance, I'll go with this prompt. Write a description of the blog to use as an SEO meta tag. Base the summary on the blog body property, and the description should be about 160 characters. And I'll click Try on this view to generate some results. Looks good. Note that, unlike the generic summary, this one is much better geared towards being used as a meta description for search results. It's phrased like a call to action and advertises the contents of the blog to the reader. So this will actually be a nice way to save time on drafting descriptions like this. Custom prompts are a fantastic option overall, since they let you draft any directive that you want. However, I'd really like to see the ability to insert properties directly into your prompts as variables. This is something that is available in Airtable AI, and it lets you enter something like blog title as a placeholder so you can enter the contents of the blog title field for every record directly into the prompt. By entering the fields directly into the prompt, you can make sure the AI always views the fields you want it to consider and skips the ones it doesn't need. But for now, entering those sorts of directions manually into the prompt seems to work pretty well. Notion's pre-built AI properties make it easy to instantly interpret and transform your company's data with AI prompts. For fast results and common tasks, you can quickly add Notion's pre-built choices like translate and summarize. And for more specialized jobs, you can compose a custom prompt tailored to your exact needs. If you enjoyed this video, prove you're human, like and subscribe for more automation tips every week. If you'd like to learn more about low-code automation and workflow design, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, and you can find all of our content on our website at xray.tech. You can find all those in the XRay Workflow resources board down below, and as always, find your focus and stay in flow.